Hi guys, today we will do a little stretching. Join me, and my name is Helena. I'm so excited, so bring your mat and join me. We will start with butterfly pose. It's a very traditional and basic pose for starting your stretching. Actually, I'm just not very professional. I'm just a learner who is learning how to stretch since childhood, and I have some techniques from my dancing classes in childhood and now, and from YouTube. So I used to learn a lot about sport, but for now I'm just kind of into dancing more than in the other sports and in yoga too. Okay, once we are done, we can do that and oh, very stiffy. Oh, I don't know why, but my leg is still hurting. It just hurts from, I don't know, 2021 year. Oof, and I can't go lower. I could if this one was not hurting. I still didn't figure out what's the problem. Alright. Next one, frog. Good one for stretching. Okay. Next is pigeon pose. This one. And we can lay and relax here. And now, very cool exercise, like just stretch your thighs. Oh my god. Oof. Do you feel stiffy as I feel? Oof. Okay, the second leg, the same thing. You can just go like that a bit. The second leg, like that, and relax. Okay, advanced mode for me. Whew. Ooh, high level. I'm joking. Okay, like that. For glutes too. Okay, for the next leg, the second one. Next leg. Shake a bit or like. Alright. Next one will be this one. Stretching. And on the other side. Alright. Next one we will do like that and try to go to our left leg. Oof, I'm so stiff here. And here too. push yourself if you don't feel to. Be careful. Love yourself. Alright, on the other leg. Okay. Oof. Yes, this one is. Oh. Okay. I'm trying tonight to be very pushy. Okay. And butterfly again. Okay, that was very quick. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.